How to create a WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to create a WhatsApp group. In order to create a WhatsApp group, first thing first, you need to make sure that you have a WhatsApp account. And in order to begin with, update your application and to open up your WhatsApp application. So as soon as you open up your WhatsApp application, this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to create a WhatsApp group, first of all, you need to make sure that you have a participant. And then to begin with, you need to click on the three dot icon right over here and you need to click on new group. After that, you'll need to select the participant that you wish to add it to your WhatsApp group. Look for the contact that you wish to add it as a group member. You can add up to 100 members in a WhatsApp, and after that, just tap on this arrow icon right over here, right at the bottom, and then give a name to a group. If you want to give some permission, then you can also do that as well, or else just tap on the stick icon. And as you can see that the group has been created. If you want to add a profile picture to your group, just tap on the group that is located right on top and then click on this icon right on top, or the human icon, and then go through it and add the picture accordingly. So this is basically how you can create a WhatsApp group. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.